Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Truecaller. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you search about the application of Truecaller and you click. Here in this page of app and for you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to purchase by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your